Guys, if you are not branding yourself for New Year 2024, the new year is tonight. I just had a client tell me that after 2 months of coaching them, they just pulled in an extra $24,000 in the last 60 days, the last 2 months, an extra 24 grand. Doing what? I set them up with the #1 business in the world, guys, right now for 2024, which is branding yourself, selling you, selling your information, selling your knowledge, teaching people how to do something that helps them with their life, and they're willing to pay you money for it. So this client is actually a car detailer. Now he teaches people how to detail cars, especially young people in their 20s, and make an extra $100, $300, $500 in a day. They pay him $1,000 for his car detailing business, and he sets them up a business within a week, and he makes an extra $1,000. Okay, so if you can do that with 5 people in a week, that's an extra $5,000 in a week. That's an extra $20,000 in a month, and that's how he made an extra $24,000 in the last 60 days by branding himself. Now for January, he said, James, I'm going to the next level. He's going to start running ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google, like I do. And he said, I want to make $50,000, and I just gave him my system. Contact me right here or tap the link in my description or bio anywhere in this video. And guys, get me on the phone live. I'll set you up in 1 hour to brand yourself and make a lot more money and change your lifestyle for 2024.